for Dwayne Hicks, TQ40482115E9. Distress. My unit has suffered immense casualties on LV-426 and requests immediate assistance aboard the USS Sulaco. Of the survivors, myself, 2 human females, one of which is a child, and a damaged synthetic. Consider all Colonial Marines dispatched to LV-426 to be KIA. Repeat, all Marines dispatched to LV-426 were KIA.
Rise and shine, Marines. This isn't a drill, and you aren't in Kansas anymore. On your feet, Marines. For any new recruits, I'm Captain Cruz, and you are my crew on the USS Sephora. We responded to a distress call sent out 17 weeks ago from the USS Sulaco. Rhino 2-3 went in first and encountered heavy resistance. You are the last of the battalion to get popped out of cryo. So I don't want to hear any bitching because we let you lugheads sleep in late. Get combat ready, and I'll see you in the hangar in 20 mics.
Name and rank?
Corporal Christopher Winter, 118th Battalion aboard the USS Sephora.
Corporal Winter, I'm sending in Rhino 2-1 to reinforce 2-3. How you feeling, kid?
I'm feeling good, Captain. But I'm worried about 2-3.
That's good, because I'm sending you in to catch up with Rhino 2-1. We're trying to get the Sulaco flight recorder so we can see who caused this.
Sir, what happened in there?
Let me shit the bed. Attention, chicks and dicks of the USS Sephora! As of right this second, Rhino 2-1 and Rhino 2-3 are fighting to get a hold of the situation we're in. We don't leave Marines behind. Over the next 2 hours, we're gonna send a series of dropships over to aid with Kazovac on the USS Sulaco.
Sir, the Sulaco was reported last seen over Fury 161. How is it back over this planet?
Lieutenant Reed, thanks for the interruption. We don't know how that boat got back here. Right now, we're worried about what's killing our Marines in there. This is a liquid situation. Information to follow as it comes online. Ready up. Good hunting, Marines. Hoorah, Dash! Hoorah! Listen up. What I need right now is information. No heroics, no bullshit. I need you to be my eyes in there. Report back anything you see so I know what I'm up against.
Roger that. Tell Rhino 2-1 I'm en route to their location.
Just happened in there. Raider 6-5, are you in the air yet?
Explosive decompression in the Sulaco.
This is Raider 6-5. The umbilical is venting atmo into the black. Looks dicey, sir.
Dicey? Raider, I need grown-up words.
You have 20 minutes before a total collapse. Shut it down.
Winter, you heard the lady. Get to the other side and we're shutting it down.
Continuing on to the Sulaco. Winter out.
Actual, this is O'Neill.
We've got casualties and several injured over here. We need a corpsman right away for the downed Marines from Rhino 2-1.
Negative 2-1. That explosion jacked the airlock on our end. We cannot use the umbilical without risking more lives. Sit tight and stabilize our Marines. 2-1, what is the status of 2-3?
Winner. Looks like he sent you over into this mess as well. Pull up your motion tracker. Tell me what you see.
Got you two here, and I'm reading 2-3 to the south. Beyond the hangar, engineering perhaps.
They moving?
No. Wait. I got an unidentified signal. Something's moving.
Damn it. Sephora actual. It sounds like 2-3 are holding position.
Boy, they're down.
We're reading unidentified movement in their area. They could be under attack. All right. Winner and I are going to... Damn it.
Sephora actual. I'm heading into rendezvous with 2-3.
Sir, there's
Remember what I said about heroics,
half an
kid?
unidentified
Actual
fennec
out.
splattered across the deck in here.
Which half?
Well, he ain't saying much.
Then find me a half that does. Actual out.
Looks like ejected power tubes. Hell of a way to wake up. Holy shit. Are you seeing this, Captain? Camera.
What's wrong with my mouth? Where am I? Winner! Winner, grab your torch. Cut me the hell out of here. Shoot that thing! Shoot that thing! Cut me down! Come on. Come on!
Sephora Actual, this is Winter. I've located keys from Rhino 2-3. There's some bodies down here, but some are missing. There are 1 or 2 Marines missing from Rhino 2-3.
All dead.
He's gone. Sit tight. I got you, buddy.
Winner, regroup what's left. Get him back to the hangar and the rest of 2-1. Do not engage.
This is keys from 2-3, sir. Our mission was to recover the flight data from the Sulaco.
Son, I gave you that mission and it's over. Now regroup and come.
We have to know what caused this. The flight recorder can get us that. With all due respect, sir.
My respect means you shut your goddamn mouth and follow your orders. Actual out.
Hell with the orders. The flight wreck isn't too far from here. We grab it, link up with Rhino 2-1. O'Neill, you still there?
Damn. Are you guys on the way back?
No. You gotta buy us 10 minutes to grab the flight wreck. Our Marines aren't gonna die for nothing.
You've got 5 to get that recorder and get back here. Keep an eye out for Bella, Keys. Hoorah to Ash's Marine.
We'll keep an eye out. Thanks, O'Neill. Thanks for doing this, Winter. You think you see me again. Don't think. And shoot. Something's down here with us! I won't let him take me again. Contact! Contact! Here we go! They're sweeping in from the right! Can't take much more of this! They're climbing out from below!
I see it!
Watch our backs! Sealing the room! Grab the flight rack! The central console! Get the flight record! Grab one mic! Copacetic!
Copacetic! O'Neil, flight data is en route. 2 mics to you.
Affirmative, Winter. Just save the high fives for the bedroom. Get your ass back here.
There's no way the flight wreck didn't tape the assholes that did this to the Sulaco. If we make it back with this thing, who knows what we'll find on it? Secure our left flank! Winner, you got eyes on the target? Shit's getting scary! O'Neil, we're IMI to your location in 1 mic.
You're late!
We can't take much more of this! On the dropship! Watch this! Grenade out!
Keys, wait! Are you out of your damn mind? Get to the umbilical!
The umbilical is unstable, but we can't wait for a bird to evacuate. We're gonna go through it anyway. Just give me enough time to run a bypass on the goddamn door, Keys! Weapons hot!
I'm on it! Running a bypass! Couple more seconds! Two, one, pack it up and let's move! Flat wreck is en route to the Sephora. We did it, guys!
Rhino team, move! Winner, move!
lost the flight wreck. Keys had the recorder on him. It was all for nothing.
Well, we're not dead. So, you know, there's that.
This is Sephora Actual. 2-1, can you read me? What just happened in the umbilical?
Actual, I got solid copy. We lost Keys. Pretty sure something exploded from his chest.
Is Winter with you?
Yes, sir. Any thoughts on the exploding chest issue?
All of our Cheyenne-class birds en route to provide Casevac and ground support. That's almost 80 Marines en route, and we gotta get them somewhere to land. The hangar's out of commission, but we got room in the cargo base.
Understood. We are heading to the cargo bay. 2-1 out. Something's not right. Follow me.
Sephora Actual, we're sending back a live feed. There's no way this is Colonial Marine tech. It's got way U markings, sir.
Holy shit.
What?
Everything is timestamped after we received the distress signal from, what's his name?
Corporal Hicks.
Actual, this is 2-1. What do you make of this? Sir, is there someone else on this ship?
I have Bishop sending a signal to weigh you. We ain't got time to sit around and play Sherlock. Get back to the cargo bay. Both of you. Out.
Oh, God. We are so screwed.
Sephora Actual. This is Bella from Rhino 2-3. Do you read?
Loud and clear, 2-3. What's your status?
Woke up gagging on a creature like a spider. It wrapped around my face. It's dead, sir. I got separated from my squad. Any news from the rest of my guys?
Rest of 2-3 is presumed dead. I'm sorry, kid. Remnants of Rhino 2-1 are on their way to the cargo bay. Can you get to the cargo bay, 2-3?
Garnett? Keys? I can't even think right now, Actual. I'm not sure how to get there, sir.
You're the last of Rhino 2-3. Do your best. Get back here alive. Actual out.
O'Neill, what's wrong?
Sounded like Bella. We had a thing, okay?
What kind of thing?
A second. Pick it up, boys.
like to formally request a transfer off Project Alithia. Though I appreciate the opportunity to be involved in such cutting-edge research, I fear that I will not be personally capable of performing my duties to their fullest. Thank you. This is from Dr. Stanton, by the way.
That's our exit! Cover me while I get her open! Winner, move!
Sulaco Actual, we have arrived in the first cargo bay.
We make it to the control room, we can pop the doors and blow this shit out into the black!
You gotta run this stuff by me before you speaking crazy!
All hostiles dead! Eyes up!
Sulaco Actual, we have arrived in the first cargo bay.
We make it to the control room, we can pop the doors and blow this shit out into the black!
You gotta run this stuff by me before you speak them crazy!
Look up! They're in the ceiling. Hold them off while I get this open! I got this! Cover my back! Cat's our exit! Cover me while I get her open! Winner! Move!
Sulaco Actual, we have arrived in the first cargo bay.
We make it to the control room, we can pop the doors and blow this shit out into the black!
You gotta run this stuff by me before you speak them crazy!
Watch your head! Ceiling! Look up! Eyes up! Hold them off while I get this open! I got this! Cover my back! That's our exit! Cover me while I get her open!
Winner! Move!
I have Sephora Actual in tow. Coming in for a landing, Winter. Copy.
Understood, Raider. The cargo doors are triggered to close automatically. So hurry up!
I'm shitting my breakfast. Everybody hang on to something! Be advised, Actual, that Winter made me scratch my favorite ship, sir.
It's your only ship, Reed.
I secured the boat. In minutes, this ship will be flooded with Marines. So let's go find Bella.